This strategy made me more money in 1 month than futures trading made me in an entire year. Hey, my name is Leo. In the last video, we kind of went quickly through the indicator, and I didn't really show all the details, but I think you understood the main idea. Today, we're going to fully break down this strategy, take more trades, and I'll show you all the small details and how I actually use it. All right, let's jump onto the computer. All right, we're on 4C Market now. Let's refresh the page real quick. Now, let's choose the indicator we're trading with. It's called Williams Fractals. If you watched the last video, you probably already understand the basic idea and how it works, but today I'm going to explain everything in much more detail. We're going to be trading Ethereum today on the 1-minute time frame. So look, if we get a green triangle, we open a trade for the price to go down. If it's a red triangle, we enter up. But very important, don't enter trades if the triangles are lagging, because that can happen too. Sometimes the triangle appears, but a new candle has already started forming. In situations like that, it's usually better not to enter. Later on, once you get more experience like me, you'll start understanding when it's okay to enter and when it's better to skip. But for beginners, I definitely recommend waiting for a fresh candle together with the triangle. If this happens during the video, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Now let's wait for the first signal and enter a trade. All right, we just got our first signal. We're going to enter a trade expecting the chart to go up. I'm placing 2 trades for 1,000 each. And yeah, like I said before, you really shouldn't enter when the indicator is lagging like this. Here, we already had 2 candles after the signal, and we're still entering the trade. You shouldn't trade like that in the beginning. You'll start understanding these entries better once you get more experience. Now, let's wait for the trade to close and continue. All right, we closed the trade with a profit of $500. The indicator worked perfectly, even though we entered later than we should have. It could have easily gone the other way and closed in a loss because of the late entry, so you really don't want to trade like that. Let's keep going and wait for the next signal. Today, we're going all the way. I want to get back to $10,000 because before this, I had a lot of losing trades. That happens sometimes. But if you trade smart and follow proper risk management, losses over the long run shouldn't destroy your account. Now, we wait for the next indicator. All right, here we got another signal. It's delayed again, but it's nothing serious. I'm going to enter only after this round ends. Then we'll instantly enter the new round, expecting the chart to go up. We're entering the trade again with $2,000, and the reason I place 1,000 at a time is because the coefficient changes every second. Sometimes you enter with one position, and suddenly the chart drops hard while you entered expecting it to go up. In that situation, you can just not place the second trade, because it's already obvious there was a squeeze down. That's also kind of a life hack. Personally, I do this all the time, and it saved me hundreds of times already. Now let's wait for the result and continue. All right, the round is ending now. You see how close that was? We could have closed the trade in profit, but the chart went down, and timing-wise, we just didn't make it. At the very end, the price was almost exactly where we entered, but then it dropped lower. That happens too. It's nothing serious. The main thing is risk management and avoiding trades like this when the indicator is delayed. But it's all good. We'll make it back. I'm recording this video specifically to show you how this really works and teach you how to work with it properly. It's not always profit every single trade, but because of the strategy and risk management, over time you'll still be in strong profit overall, since this strategy has around a 75% win rate. Now let's wait for the next signal and continue. All right, here's another signal. And again, it's delayed. Today is really one of those days with delayed signals. That happens sometimes. Looks like TradingView has a lot of load right now, so the indicators are lagging a bit. But it's all good. We're still going to enter expecting the chart to go up. Again, we're entering with $2,000. All right, now we wait for the round to end, and then we continue. All right, we closed the trade with plus $1,800. We almost recovered the previous loss. Now we keep going and wait for the next signal from our indicator. Here the indicator is delayed again. It's honestly starting to annoy me already. But it's fine. For me, the chart here clearly looks sideways, so it's probably moving up and down because of that, and maybe that's why the indicator is lagging too. We're entering again with $2,000. Now let's wait for the round to finish. All right, the round is over and we take plus $1,300. Let's check the statistics now. Here we had minus 2,000 before, but we already recovered the losses and even went a little into profit. So let's continue. We still need to get back to 10,000 today, so we don't finish the session in the negative. Hopefully the next indicator won't lag, and we'll be able to enter properly, so I can show you how it's supposed to look. We got a signal, and like usual today, it's delayed again. We're entering with $2,000, expecting the chart to go up. Now let's wait for the round to end. We close this trade with plus $1,700. Let's watch a little more. If we get another signal, we'll enter again. If not, then we'll probably finish here. Today is really a day full of delays. Our indicator is lagging pretty badly. All right, look here. I'm entering based on my own observation and experience. I can see that the chart already came down to the support line, and most likely the indicator is lagging again and will give the signal later on this candle that the chart should go up. We're entering again with $2,000. Expecting the chart to move up. All right, we close with plus $900, just like I said. There was a strong candle going up. We'll probably enter one more time because it would be stupid not to take advantage of this move. You're about to see the indicator appear showing that we should enter up. But without experience, it's better not to trade like this. And look, I'm not going all in, even though I easily could. It's always better to trade smart and manage your risk. Then you'll stay in profit long term. Especially with this strategy, even a beginner can handle it. You just need to sit down, practice a little, and understand how it works. Now, let's wait and see how our last trade for today closes, and then we'll finish the video. All right, just like I said, the chart went up and we take another plus $900. One more thing I want to say. Trade smart and don't chase fast profit because that can lead to really bad consequences. I know that from my own experience. I gave you the strategy. Now it's on you to practice, learn, and test it yourself. It works for both experienced traders and complete beginners. For some of you, this can honestly become a gold mine. Of course, it won't last forever because algorithms and markets always change. But right now, while the market still allows it, trade, learn, and improve. This stuff really works, and you can make good money with it. Just approach it with your head and proper risk management. All right, let's move to the withdrawal section, and I'll show you one more time how to withdraw money. I'm going to withdraw $500 as an example, so you can see how it works and how fast the money arrives. Now we wait for the code. It should come to the email. Once it arrives, we enter it and wait for the withdrawal to process. The withdrawal comes pretty fast. Right now, we have 19,600 USDT. So after the withdrawal arrives, it should be 20,100. And by the way, the signal finally played out. This one was really delayed. Experience really matters here. So learn this strategy, practice it, and you can make some really good money with it since this indicator has around a 76% win rate. Thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. Good luck to all of you, and see you in the next one.